In 1877, Thomas Edison had a great idea. He invented the phonograph. These were the first recorded words ever. And the evolution of dictation devices began. 1966. In times past, professionals used cassette-based analog devices. Today, digital dictation solutions are state-of-the-art. It's a simple switch to the digital generation. Today, millions of people use dictation solutions. Many are still using analog devices. Are you still recording your dictations on cassettes? What about switching to a digital dictation solution? Your digital dictations are automatically sent to your predefined targets. Your transcriptionist gets all the information she needs in a detailed job list, and she will love you for the crystal clear sound quality. Pretty good, right? All your dictations are automatically archived. You do not have to worry about broken, lost, or even stolen cassettes. And on top of that, you save a lot of space. Password encryption of your confidential and sensitive data guarantees maximum security. Combined with a speech recognition solution, your spoken words are converted into text in seconds. So, what do you think? Simply working smarter with digital document creation. From the #1 in professional dictation.